Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable magnifier on Windows 11. So you need to extra zoom or you need to inspect something and you need to zoom it out. You need magnifier on Windows 11. So in order to enable that feature, you can click on Start and go to the settings. You can scroll down or you can find accessibility, and this is magnifier option, magnifier reading, zoom, increment. Click it and here we go. You can enable magnifier. You can break down here, and now magnifier is turned on, as you can see. So in order to turn on magnifier, you can press Windows logo key and plus sign to turn on it, and press Windows logo key plus escape to turn it off. So let's try to Windows and plus to turn on magnifier, and Windows logo key and escape to turn it off. So you can enable or start magnifier before sign in or start magnifier after sign in. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.